We will now rename levels and create some levels for our vacation home. Under the project browser, we're going to switch from level 1 to south view. I'm going to take the wheel of the mouse and roll towards the screen, hold the wheel by pressing it down, and when I do this, it allows me to hold and move over the view of levels, or it could be an object, whatever you're working on. It doesn't really matter. But taking the wheel of the mouse and holding it down will allow you to do a pan. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hover over the level 1, double click the name, and we're going to rename it. We're going to call it 00 space foundation. Enter. And it's asking me a question. Would you like to rename corresponding views? I'm going to say yes. And you'll notice under the project browser that under the south elevation that it is current, that we're working on these levels and creation and renaming, is that level 2 or level 1 was renamed, and there it is, 00 foundation. Now we're going to go to level 2, double click that one, and we're going to rename this one to 01 lower space level. Enter. Would you like to rename the corresponding views? Yes. And you'll notice under the project browser now it changes as well to 01 lower level. Now we're going to move along to the Home tab and select it. And under the Home tab, we're going to go to the Datum panel and select Level command and pick that. And we're going to go to the Offset. This is under the option bar, and under the option bar we're going to go to the offset and select 10 feet. And it looks as if it's trying to draw the level, but we want to go to the Draw panel first. And you'll notice that we have a line. We can create a line segment for levels, but we don't want to do that. We want to go and select Pick Lines, and that'll be a little bit easier. And we'll just hover here, and I'll just take the wheel of the mouse again and zoom towards you, or towards myself, however you like to think about this. And if you look at it, and I get away from the lower level and hover there again, you'll notice that there's a blue dash line. So I'm going to select it, and there's one. Hover over this one. Oops, it looks like I drew it down below. Let's go back and undo. You'll use this quite a bit sometimes, undo. I'm going to roll the wheel of the mouse again to zoom out a little bit easier. And it looks, what happened is it looks like it went back to line again. So I'm going to select Pick Lines. Pick right there, level 3. And that looks good. And how we can get out of an existing command under the place level, you can select Modify, or you can on your keyboard select Escape. So you can do either one. I'm going to go up here and select Modify, and that gets you out of this command.